Finally, you can now make video calls on your Telegram app, be it on Android or on iOS. And this is their 7th year anniversary goodies. So let's check out how to get started with this in a quick review. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Deport, and today Telegram has just brought out the video calling from your Telegram application, and it's beautiful. Right now it is still just a single video calling. It's not like the group video call that you have in WhatsApp. We already talked about that. You can check that video in the cards. But this one is actually very promising. It's encrypted and a whole lot of other flexible features that you can see. So the first thing you have to know here is that your Telegram may not have the video calling, and this is because this feature is available from version 7. As you can see right now below on your screen, the one that is on the left is version 7 and the one on the right is version 6. But when you upgrade to version 7, you will now have that feature for video calling. As you can see right now, the feature for video calling is in both of these phones right now because they have been updated to version 7. So let's get started in the things you're also going to need. Apart from updating your version, you're going to need, as you're using Android for this, you're going to need to give it permission to draw over other apps. Now this makes it very beautiful because both WhatsApp and video call, even Zoom, doesn't have that capacity, especially in Android. So let's just go started and do a review of the call live, and let's see how it goes. So you dial the call, there is requesting, waiting, connecting, ringing, and all that will happen until you connect to the next device. So once you connect there, the first thing you have to notice is the encryption. It will want to encrypt and it's fun. The way they made the encryption is kind of fun. Bringing some fruits, some emojis, some icons, and once the two of them matches, then the video calls just kicks off. So make sure if you're using Android, you have given it the permission to draw over other apps, and once you've done that, it's good. So one of the things I actually took time to do is to test this on the worst network ever. Forget about this 4G. The network was so bad, but this was able to make the call. We were able to hear ourselves, even though the other angle, the visual was very poor. But yeah, as you can see, you can actually drive it around. You can open other applications, do other things, get back into the call with a single tap. This is well thought out, and as the company has also promised, they are going to bring out the video group calling very soon, and this is one to watch out for. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because we're going to be the first to break it down for you once that feature is available, and we're going to give a review of it and see how it works. This is going to be a game changer if they really do it the way they did this one, because this is flexible. You can use it and do other things, and move around, encryption, do tasks, switch call easily from one place to the other. So that's it. This is beautiful. Have you checked it out? Let me hear from you in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I'll see you.